This is a simple bracelet pattern using hitch knots with a slight variation, where you would normally complete both halves of the knot next to each other. For this bracelet I'm going to be working the first half of the hitch knot at each side before completing it underneath. So to get started, you want to take your two cords in the centre, which will be your shortest cords, and you want to clip these to the bottom of the board. And then you can pick which side you want to start with, so I'm going to start on the left. And you want to do the first half of your hitch knot by going over and pulling the cord through. And then just pushing it up to the top. And instead of completing, I'm going to do the same thing but a mirror image at the other side. So I'm just going to go over and then pull the cord through. And then pull it tight. And then I want to complete my hitch knot by taking this cord under and pulling through. And then doing a mirror of this at the other side. So again, under and pulling through. And I want to complete these 4 steps all the way down until I've got the bracelet as long as I want it. So each time the first half is over and through, and then the second half will be under and through. And just keep doing this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can do your ends. So for mine, I'm just going to take the 4 cords, split them into 3 sections and do a simple braid with a knot at the end. But you could do this with a button fastening or a clasp if you preferred. So once you've got the braided tie on as long as you want it, you can just tie a knot in the end of all your cords. And then you can trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal mine, but you could use glue if you prefer. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed 2-tone macrame bracelet.